Hey fellow Americans, Jane Smith Fisher here. Welcome back to my kitchen table. As I told you in my intro video, I'm here to give nonpartisan explanations for some of the issues that seem most important when deciding who to vote for in the upcoming election. And for my first topic, I've selected taxes. So let's get to it. First, I just want to tell you that this video is a quick explanation about taxes, and the following two videos will be a discussion of each candidate's individual tax plan. Now, there are two types of federal income tax. There's corporate and personal, and both are very complicated. Since I only have time to discuss one today, I'm going with personal. And here's a bit about the personal federal income tax system in our country. It's a progressive system as opposed to a regressive system. Regressive taxes, like sales tax, are taxes that hit low-income earners harder than high-income earners. The way a progressive system works is that the tax rate that you pay, which is the percentage of your income that you pay in taxes, increases as your income increases. Now, when President Eisenhower was in office back in the 50s, the highest personal income tax rate was 90%. And folks love to talk about how President Kennedy came in and drastically slashed that rate to a still eye-popping 70%. Now, of course, today the rate is much lower. The top rate today is paltry by comparison, 39.6%. Now, the reason that this progressive system has seemed fair to so many generations of Americans is that even if a person or family pays a higher percentage of their income in taxes, they still end up with more money than those that pay a lower rate. And everybody has agreed with that for a very long time. I really do think it does seem fair. Apparently, so do you. Now, as an aside, remember when Mitt Romney said that 47% of Americans don't pay taxes? Well, he could only have been talking about federal income tax because every American pays taxes, whether you work or not. Every working American pays what are called payroll taxes, and those include taxes to help cover the spending for Social Security and Medicare. But even if you don't work, you still pay those regressive taxes that I talked about before, and in addition to sales tax, they include things like taxes on cell phone usage, if you pay a parking meter, I mean, just so many different things. All right then, that was a little primer. Coming up next in the next two videos will be an explanation and details about each candidate's tax plan. Just want to give you one note before you go on to those next videos. 95% of Americans will not see an increase in their taxes in 2017 no matter who is elected. If you're a middle-income American worker like me, your taxes will not be increased, not one penny, no matter who's in the White House. Okay, I'll meet you at the next video.